Hello everyone, in this video I will find the value of this expression 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. If you know the answer, put it in the comment. Having said that, let's solve it together. The common mistake people make here is that they do the multiplication before division. According to PEMDAS, which is the order of operation, multiplication and division are in the same level. Multiplication and division are in the same level. We evaluate from left. That is, we solve the division first before multiplication. Having said that, let's continue. To solve this question correctly, we use the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses. So we work everything here first. Bring down this 6, divide by these 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 times 3. The next here is exponent, which is something like 2 raised to power 2. Is it here? No. We move on. The next one is multiplication and division. So this multiplication and division are in the same level. We evaluate from the left. So looking at the left, division came first. So we are going to solve division before this multiplication. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equal to 9. So the correct answer to this question is 9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.